So hello everyone, in this video we will solve another lead code question, that is find all good indices. So in this question we are given 0 indexed integer array nums of size n and a positive integer k. We call an index I in the range from k to n minus k a good if the following conditions are satisfied. The k elements that are just before the index I are in non-increasing order, and the k elements after index I are in non-decreasing order, and we need to return an array of all good indices in increasing order. So let us see the first example. So here we are given k equal to 2 and an integer array nums. So the size of integer array nums is 7, so we need to check all the indices from 2 till n minus k, that is 5 here. So from 2 to all the indices that are less than 5, we need to check that means second index, third index and fourth index. We need to check if any of them indices are good or not. So how do we check that indices are good or not? We are given two conditions, that k elements before index I should be in non-increasing order and k elements just after the index I should be in non-decreasing order. So let us check one by one. First we will check with index number 2. So there are only 2 elements before index number 2, so they are in non-increasing order, and we need to check 2 elements after that should be in non-decreasing order. Yes, so this is the index I, k elements before them are in non-increasing order and k elements after index I is in non-decreasing order. So our second index is a good index. Now we will check with the third one. K elements before index 3 is 1 and 1. They are in non-increasing order, and k elements after 1 is are in non-decreasing order. So index number 3 is also a good index. Now we need to check index number 4. So 1 and 1 are in non-increasing order, but 4 and 1 are in decreasing order. So this condition is not satisfied. So index number 4 is not a good index. So we need to compute two things here. First we need to check k elements before them are in non-increasing order or not, and k elements after the current index is in non-decreasing order or not. And if these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say that the current index is a good index, and we will push it into our answer. So let us see the solution, how we will do it. So now we need to check two conditions, that is for any index I, we need to check if k elements before them are in non-increasing state and k elements after that are in non-decreasing state. So what we can do is, for every index I, we can create a prefix array which will tell us at the current position how many elements before it are in non-increasing state, and similarly we can create a suffix array which will tell us at an index I how many indexes or how many values after the index I are in non-decreasing state. So with the help of prefix and suffix array, we can find out how many indices are good or not. So let us write the code now. So n is the size of nums array, and I have declared prefix array and suffix array with all values initialized to be 1. Now I have initialized all values to be 1 because every element in itself is in non-increasing as well as in non-decreasing state. So every element have initial value as 1. Now we will iterate through the array from index 1, and we will compute our prefix array. So if our nums value, our current value, if it is lesser than or equal to the previous value, that means it is in non-increasing order. So we can increase our prefix of current index by 1. So what is actually happening is, let's say we take this example. So we are at index number 1. We will check if it is lesser than or equal to the previous value. So yes, 1 is lesser than 2, so it is in non-increasing state. So we can say that the current value contribute +1 to the previous index value, which is in non-increasing order. So if we come here, it will tell that till now I have 2 index that are in non-increasing order. Similarly, if I will come here, it will check, yes, 1 is equal to 1, so it is in non-increasing order. So increase my current prefix value with 1 to the previous value of the prefix array. That is, till now I had 2 elements here in non-increasing order. Now this is also in non-increasing order, so till now I have 3 elements that are in non-increasing order. So the prefix of 2 will tell, okay, there are 3 values till now that are in non-increasing order. So similarly, we will create a suffix array. We will start iterating from a second last index and go till 0. We will do the similar thing. We will just check for the non-decreasing state. So we have created a suffix and prefix array. Now we need to compute answer for all the good indices. And we need to traverse the array from k till n minus k. So from k till I less than n minus k, we will iterate the entire array and we will check how many indices are good. So if our prefix of I minus 1 is greater than equal to k, that means till now I should have k or more than k values that should be in non-increasing order, as well as I should have k or more than k values that should be in non-decreasing order. It means till now I have k values that are in k or more than k values that are in non-increasing order, and after that I have k or more than k values that are in non-decreasing order. So my condition for good index is this. So we will push this current index to our answer. And similarly it will do for all the indices in the range from k to n minus k, and finally we will return our answer. So it will be already in increasing order format because we are traversing an increasing order of index. So this should run fine. Let us check, there is some mistake. So we need to increment by +1 also. So that was the mistake. So let us check. So let us submit this. So yeah, this works completely fine. So hope you understood this. Thank you.